Yo guys, welcome to another dev blog video. Today we are going to start a new series here. We're going to be creating an application on C#, Sharp Develop, because this is one of the easiest ways I know how to create an application other than using tkinter and Python, which is what I'm going to use next. But for the time being, I'm going to be using Sharp Develop. So what we're going to do is we're going to click New Solution, Windows Application, and call it something like Login Service. Find a place to put it. I want to put it in just into Documents for now, and hit Create. Now it's going to sort everything out here for me. As you see on this, there's all the coding structure. But what we really want to do first is to design the main window for the application. So here, if I were just to run it normally, clicking that run button up here, if it wants to load, and it's up, no, over here. There we go. See, we got this is the login service. You see, it's got the name up here. It's exactly the same. Exit function, also click X. Now we can start creating. So I really want this to be kind of a large window, to say at least, you know. I want it to be semi-big, so I'll keep it at run it. See how big the window is. I think that's decent size, so we're sorted on that front. Second thing now is I want to change the background color. So we're going to go over to this right side here, where it says main form, because this is the name of the first. You see up here, it's just the name of the first window that we're creating. So we're going to be using this here, back color. Click it, and notice all of these here. You see at the top here, we've got web and custom. Now I really want to use a darkish colour, but not too dark. So I'm going to go for a blue, but not quite that navy blue. So after we choose from custom, we can go to web, and in web we have more choices of what you want to use. And I'm liking this dark slaty blue. That's very nice. So I'm actually going to keep that there, and I think that will be good for now. So now next, what I want to do is I want to add obviously a login function, a sign up function in case a person does not have an actual account to log into, and an exit function. So we're going to need 3 buttons, which is extremely important. So we'll go to the left side here, find button, click, drag, and we've got ourselves a button here. Not too difficult to understand that. Now we're going to position a button anywhere on this window, which will also appear when we actually open when we run the module. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the button there, double click, which then adds it to the actual code, which means that it will appear when we run the module. And now we can start with the customization. So now we can go to this side, and we can change again the background color of it. I know it says dark slated blue. That's wrong. I know it doesn't show it, but for some reason it does it. I'm not too sure why. But hey, now we're going to choose a different color for the button, and I want to mix it up. So I don't really want a blue. I want to make maybe a reddish orange. I think orange. Now we're going to go for a nice orange color, if they have one in here. We've got goldenrod. Make it orange, dark orange, Peru, sandy, and then it's kind of going to like the red, so it's transitioning through into the red. It's not what I want. Okay, so they don't really have the oranges that I like, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change my color decision. I'm going to go for maybe a red. I think a red will look quite nice. Fire brick. Oh, I like fire brick. It's very cool. So I'm gonna have this button on the left here. Maybe size it down a little bit. And now we can get into functioning it. So now here you can see on the side we want to change, of course, what the button says. We're gonna look down here for text here, button 1, erase that, and then call it login, because I want this to have a login function, obviously. Now you may see that the login thing is very small, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this font here where it says font. We're going to click on this 3 dots, and now we've it's opened a new window which allows us to choose what font we want to use, and bold, if you want it to be bold or bleak, etc. And also we can change the size of it over here. So I actually quite like the original font, but we're going to go right to the top, and I think we're going to select this one. This one looks very cool. It's going to obviously be bold, and we want it to be quite big, so I'm going to go maybe a 20. Click OK, and there you go. But I'm still not satisfied because the text is black, and I don't really want it to be black. So we're going to go to here, for color, underneath font, which means it's going to change the color of the font and not anything else. Click that, which drops down this, and you've already seen this window before, so we're going to just repeat process of what we had originally. Now I could go and change it to what I originally had, or my background, slated blue. Is it slated? Am I wrong? Oh, dark slated, not normal slated. So if I go to dark slated blue, it's going to blend in with the background you see here. I mean, that looks okay, but it's not really what I want, so I'm going to possibly change it up a little bit. Think of a colour scheme that works with red. I mean, blue does work quite well, but green maybe? Maybe get like a forest green. Doesn't really fit the tone that I'm looking for, so I'm gonna cut here, and I'll come back once I've chosen a colour. Okay, so now we're back, and I've decided to go with this dark grey colour because it kind of blends really well with the background, but not so much that it pops it completely. It's not what I want to go for. I want like a nice, subtle, calm look, and I think this fits the colour scheme or perfectly. Now, after I've done this, as you see, if we run it here, give us a second, you'll be able to see something. A second, there we go. So here, obviously this is the button, but we don't have a button function. That will come next episode, where we try and assign functions to the button. But normally on a button you get, your cursor changes to, let the user know that it's a button function. So what we're going to do to enable this is to click on the button icon, scroll down and try to find, actually no, I think it's up, yes, scroll up to cursor, now it's just default, we want to click on that, and scroll all the way down to hand icon. this then enables us, or this then allows us to see that the button is a function and the user is able to understand that it is a button function. So now you see with normal cursor, as we go over it, we now have a hand function. Obviously when we click on it, it does nothing because we don't have anything else that is assigned to yet, but we'll get to that sooner or later. So good, now that's sorted. I'm actually going to move that up a little bit more. And we're going to do this for another one. So we're going to go in here, grab another button. I actually want to make it the same size. I could copy it over, but sometimes there are some complications and it doesn't quite work. So now obviously I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select it, select the background color, which I believe was fire brick or the dark red. Yeah, it was fire brick, wasn't it? Yes. And I'm going to do this for a sign up and a exit up. Okay, so now I've fully completed the main menu of what of the application. As you see, we've got login, sign up, and exit. And if you go into the source, the main code, you can see we've got the button option 1, 2, 3. Now something that I find extremely important is that you label what they are. A good friend of mine at school has actually told me to do this because at school I managed to complicate a lot of buttons, and you'll see what I mean when next episode, when we need to add a sign up function. And a lot of buttons and a lot of labels need to be added to the source in order for the code to work. So now we're going to go for an overview. We're going to click run, and then we can see the final product of today. And here it is. As you see, buttons working as they should. You click, they've all got the function of the hand going over it, and it all looks really nice. So next episode, what we're going to do is we're going to start on making the sign up function and the button work, also the exit button to work, and we're going to add a nice title or logo at the top here for the main menu. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.